Okay, a Mazda CX5. Okay, installed for Cogoo 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player with Convex CCD 60 reverse camera. Okay, this is Cogoo 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen. Okay, no DVD version. You got a 2 USB slot, which is put in a drawer. So one will put in a drawer, another one will connect to the original USB slot. Okay, 10.1 inch big screen. It's come with the OEM big screen casing. So this is OEM big screen. Okay, with OEM socket plug and play. Okay, Mazda CX5. Okay, 10.1. So this is radio apps. Okay, so you have to clear apps as well. Okay, go to the main menu. So you got a aux video input. So Bluetooth calling or Bluetooth music. Easy connect for mirror link. So steering wheel control. So you can set steering wheel function. So tube map for download YouTube. You got a Play Store. So the Play Store you can download app. Before that you have to go to setting, turn on the phone, turn on player Wi-Fi and your phone hotspot, connect for internet. Setting. So about car, this is Android version 5.1.1. Let me show you for the Convex reverse camera. This is Convex night vision reverse camera. Okay, this is Cogoo 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing for Mazda CX5. OEM socket plug and play. Installed by one piece. Thank you. Okay, this is OEM USB cable. Thank you.